Hello, nation builders and Asgardians, and welcome to uh, what I guess would be considered the seed of nation builders virtual world. So I've actually been diving in a bit today to just learn a few things about um, creating virtual reality. As you can see, um, there is a lot to be desired compared with what is possible. Been in here for a couple of hours using Unity game engine and Oculus to just create and just get the ball rolling and really start to learn some useful skills. So I have created myself some hands, if you could call them that. A plane here, which I've proudly stamped our nation builder seal of approval on. Uh, I've created myself a small bowling alley and a small bowling ball with which I can pick this guy up. Although I have to be honest, uh, it's not quite there yet. Um, but yeah, I thought I would just show you this quick snippet of what I've had going on, and hopefully in the coming days and weeks, we'll really start to see some improvements, uh, maybe some new buildings and virtual environments, and some hands uh, as things progress. If you would like to know more about what we're doing here, please visit nationbuilders.space and feel free to check us out.